Okay, um, hopefully you saved your work, and this next segment on implementing theory will determine the probability of our desired event by explicitly defining the event, defining the sample space, and using the formula for the probability of an event. Okay, so first step is to explicitly declare the event and the sample space that will be used in our probability equation from the experiment. So since all the darts will land on the square quadrant, the square quadrant is our sample space. We will denote the probability of the total number of all attempts with P quadrant hits, which is in blue, the denominator of our equation. The desired event occurs when darts strike the sector. We will denote the probability of the successful strikes with P sector hits. So therefore, the probability of hitting the sector within the quadrant will be given by the formula P probability of hitting the sector equals P sector hits over P quadrant hits. Please copy this formula, which we will use at a later time. In this section, we'll cast randomly generated darts at our dartboard and determine the experimental probability of satisfying our specified event. So I'd like you to return back to GeoGebra now if you're not already there. Okay, basically we're going to use the spreadsheet functionality of this software. So click View, Spreadsheet. Okay, you might have to refocus your image a little bit. So click an image. Okay, now here in the spreadsheet we have columns, which are denoted with letters A, B, C, etc., and rows, horizontal rows 1, 2, 3, etc. So basically I want you to select cell A1, which will be our X variable, our X coordinate, and we're going to create a random number. First, use this pull down menu right here and click the formula button right here, and then enter in the formula field, I want you to enter equals random and use a set parentheses. Open parentheses, close parentheses, enter. That will give us a random number between 0 and 1. I want you to do the same for cell B1. Equals random, open parentheses, close parentheses, enter. So there's our coordinate right there. Now we're going to create a number of coordinates to increase the probability of striking the sector, or to make an accurate approximation of pi down the line. So I want you to select the two cells and drag this blue button down to 100 cells. Okay, so there we've created a few points. Now we're going to send these points to our graph. So if your points are still selected, I want you to right click and click Create List of Points. And there we have it. It sent the points to the dartboard.